Hello, and welcome to Mark's Excel Tips. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add the Developer tab in Excel. Let's get started. By default, the Developer tab does not show in the ribbon in Excel. To get the Developer tab to show up in the ribbon, click on File. Next, click on Options. In the box that pops up, click on Customize Ribbon. And then, click the box for Developer. Click OK. The Developer tab has now been added to the ribbon in Excel. That's it for today's how-to video. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.